these, okay? And then 2 from here. And then 1 from converting degrees to radians and 1 from converting radians to degrees, okay? So let's look at here. Number 1, Gustavo asks, find the angle between 0 and 2 pi that is coterminal with the given. What does coterminal mean? What does terminal mean? Finish. To end, finish, terminal. And co is with or share. Same, share, good. So they share the same ending, okay? 2 angles can share the same ending. For example, angle 0 ends at the same place as who? 2 pi, right? What about angle pi? Angle pi, this 100-degree angle right here, if I open it up, this 100-degree angle is pi, right? Yeah. It ends at the same place as what? Negative pi. True, true. If I start here and go the opposite direction, negative pi, you end up in the same place. Or what if I do this? Watch this, guys. Where's that sheet, man? What if I start here and I go all the way around and end up there? What degree is that? What angle is that? I went a full circle, which is what? 2 pi, and then I went an extra pi, so that's 3 pi. But 3 pi is really coterminal. It ends at the same place as 1 pi. See that? Hey, how come 1 pi equals 3 pi? Because 1 pi and 3 pi are how many pi's away? 2 pi, and 2 pi is the period on a unit circle. After 2 pi's, the whole circle starts to repeat itself. Get it? Period? Okay. Anyway, coterminal. So, this one says, find an angle that is coterminal with negative pi over 3. Where is negative pi over 3? It's right here, right? If I'm going 1/3 of a pi, it starts at 0 and goes to negative pi over 3. You see that? But what positive angle actually ends up in the same place? 5 pi over 3, right? So 5 pi over 3 is coterminal with negative pi over 3. Do you see that? Does that make sense? Yeah. You know what's a trick? If I know that negative pi over 3 is in the negative, but I want something between 0 and 2 pi, I could actually just add 2 pi. Right? Because if I take a negative angle, but then I add 2 pi, I will end up in the positive realm. So if I want to add 2 pi though, how can I get a common denominator? 3 over 3. So it's going to be negative pi over 3 plus 6 pi over 3, which is 5 pi. Okay? I could just add a 2 pi. I could add 1 period. Not always, but I know I could, because I know if I'm in the negative pi over 3, that's just 1 period back. So if I just add 1 period, then I know I'll be in this interval between 0 and 2 pi. Okay? So what is this? 9 pi over 4? So let's start at 9 pi over 4. Where is 9 pi over 4? Is that within my first period? 9 pi over 4 is, well, what's 8 pi over 4? 8 pi over 4 is a full circle, right? This whole thing is 8 pi over 4? Yeah? So 9 pi over 4 must be, oops, right here, right? 9 pi over 4? But 9 pi over 4 is in the same place as 1 pi over 4. See that?
So is that the answer, pi over 4?
Yeah.
What the?
The answer's on the bottom, by the way. Okay?
So then really couldn't you just go all the way around here and say 9 pi over 4? But is this going to be on the test?
Uh-huh, you can. That's why they told us that they want their answer in this first period, this first cycle right here. They want the angle that's right there in that period. Okay? Yeah, that's a 9. So this is like a periodic thing. It's like, which cycle do you want? The first cycle, second cycle? Okay. Find both a positive and a negative angle that's coterminal with 17 pi over 6. Okay. If I need to do 17 pi over 6, how